This week at Payham Data Recovery, a customer came to us with an iPhone that seemed to be working normally. It would turn on, you could see the background wallpaper, you could see the prompt for the passcode, but unfortunately the main issue was that you couldn't type in the passcode. After a visit to the Apple store, they were told that Apple could actually fix that problem, but it might actually erase the data on the phone. So as a precaution, they were advised to come to us for data recovery first. Once they had an iTunes backup or a complete backup of the data, take it back to Apple to replace the screen or any other damaged components. When we pulled the phone apart, we actually found that even though the screen was actually damaged, there were a few other components that was causing the actual secondary issue. In this case, our customer would have had two different options. If they tried to buy a screen for themselves on eBay or from another kind of part supplier, a screen for an iPhone 12 at current prices in Australia is around 500 Australian dollars. We managed to find a secondary issue that was causing the fault, which was caused by humidity or water damage on the phone, and they would have wasted $500 and not been able to access the data themselves. The good news is that we're able to access the data on the phone and make a full backup of the data. Then we reverted all the changes, so the customer still got a damaged phone back. That way it could still be replaced under warranty, which allowed our customer to retrieve photos and WhatsApp messages, which in this case is what our client told us was the most important files. Payham Data Recovery offers a no fix, no fee policy for our service, which means that we don't charge anything up front. We only charge you if we're successful. So if for any reason we can't help you, you don't get the data back, it doesn't cost you anything at all, and we'll give you everything back in the original condition. If you have any questions or have a similar issue, please reach out to us. We'd love to help you.